Mission Aviation Fellowship, Fly for Life, MASA, Mission Aviation Support Association. They're at the Sun and Fun Air Show in Lakeland, Florida. It's a Cessna Caravan. And brought one of their helicopters with them today.
From Czechoslovakia?
No, that's U.S.
So you guys are with JAARS?
Yes.
And that stands for
Jungle Aviation and Radio Service.
Jungle Aviation and Radio Service.
Originally.
Okay.
Today is much, much more than that.
You fly pilots anywhere, you provide whatever they need, huh?
Yes, we have our Bible translation teams located in very remote locations, and the very best way to reach them would be by air. These very small aircraft, a short takeoff and landing, and the airstrips are very, very crude, but it really does cut down on the travel time and emergency response.
So you fly translators into the field and let them work with the people to translate?
And we do what is necessary to try to keep them on the job. They need to be able to concentrate their time on their language group. And so we do their shopping and we send it to them on these airplanes. We also carry their children out to a local boarding school where they can be schooled with other children. Whatever is necessary, whatever we can accommodate to serve them and help them stay on the job.
All right. We're taking the gospel to all corners of the world, and JAARS is a big hand in doing that.
Right.
All right.
Yeah, JAARS is also construction and maintenance. We are involved with IT. We are involved with other media outreach, using the languages that have been translated in. And my wife and I managed a regional center where we did a lot of the shopping and then coordinating with the airplane to transport the goods out to the translators.
So you've been to a lot of foreign countries yourself?
My wife and I have served in Papua New Guinea and in Africa.
Thank you very much.